Dear student, in last lecture we studied about the India, its location and extent. Today we are going to study about the Brazil. We have also we have studied about the flags of India and Brazil. Just want to revise once again. The green color is showing the fertility, lush green forest of Brazil, and you might be knowing it is called as the lungs of world. The yellow part indicates over here the wealth and the wealth of Brazil, and this global, the globe which you will see, there is a equatorial band is there where it is written in the Portuguese language, that is Odin de Progresso. It means order and progress. Now let's study about the location and extent and the boundaries and the neighboring countries of a Brazil. When you see that Brazil, here the 0 degree latitude is there and this is equator. Brazil is very big nation. You will see area wise it rank 5th in the world. You will find towards the north, in the northern hemisphere, some part, nearly 5 degree part, is located in the northern hemisphere, and the remaining part of Brazil is in the southern hemisphere, is located in the southern hemisphere. As I told you, the Brazil is located in the southern as well as the northern hemisphere also. It's a very big nation compared to India. It is double, triple. You can see India's area and the rank is 7. India's rank is 7 in area, and its area is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer, whereas the Brazil you will find 85 lakh 14,215 square kilometer. This much area Brazil is covering, occupying, and it is 5th ranking nation of the world area wise. Here you will find next the latitude. Now we will see the latitude from north to south. If you see, we have because the equator is over here, so we have to calculate from upper side, and in toward the up you have seen that it is located in the northern hemisphere. So you can calculate here, it is 5 degree north and 5 degree north and little part is up, so 5 degree 15 minutes north it start till 33 degree 45 minute south it is extend toward the south. When you see the northern part, east to west, you have to calculate right from the east to west. From here you will go that 33 degree. Here I have not written, but I will just write for you. It is, otherwise I have a here picture also. You can see this picture. You can see this picture. If you see this picture, it is northern side 5 degree 15 minutes north, and here 33 degree 45 degree a minute south. Over here you will see it extend from in the Atlantic Ocean 34 degree 45 minutes west, and it extend till here, that is 73 degree 48 minute west. You can see this. Now after this we will go with the neighboring nations. Towards the neighboring nations are, towards the north you will see French Guiana is there, which is also called as Frank. Suriname is a second nation which is located obviously towards the north. Guyana, Venezuela and Colombia, these are the 5 nations which are located towards the northern side of Brazil. They are the northern neighbor of a Brazil. And I repeat here, French Guiana, Suriname and Guyana, Venezuela and Colombia. Towards the west you will see this is the nation Peru. Peru is toward the west, and Bolivia is toward the west, and Bolivia is toward the west. If you see towards the south you will find toward the south is Paraguay, Argentina and Uruguay. Paraguay, Argentina, Uruguay. Altogether, if you calculate, these are the 10 neighboring nations which are located in the South America. Now you can see maximum all nations we have covered. I mean, Chile is not there, but other nations we have covered here, which are to the neighboring. Here you will see Uruguay and Paraguay and Argentina is there. This is Argentina and this is Paraguay, which are located toward the south, you can say, and to the west is Peru and Bolivia, and where other nations are toward the north. So these are the 10 nations you have to remember, which are the neighboring nations of a neighboring nation of Brazil. 5 to the north, 2 to the south, west, and 3 to the south. And toward the west eastern side, if you want to see, it is totally covered by the Atlantic Ocean, Northern Atlantic Ocean and Southern Atlantic Ocean. The distance from north to the south of the Brazil is how much you will see? It is 4,378 kilometer from north to south. The distance is more in from north to south, and east to west if you want to see, toward the east to west if you want to see, it is 4,326 kilometer. It is 4,000 it is 4,326 kilometer. This is what you will see about the Brazil. The capital of a Brazil is Brasilia. The capital of Brazil is a Brasilia, which is located in the plateau of a Brazil. And very important city in the Brazil, if you want to know, is Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is the very important one. It is the richest city and the largest city, Sao Paulo, in Brazil.